Sadie here, and today I'm learning how to give a car or compress a car. Crunch!
Uh-oh.
Now let's see how much pressure this thing has. Watch! It's this doohickey thing. Come closer. Annoying. Sometimes
There you go.
annoying, sometimes funny one. No, dang it.
What are we at?
None. 30.
All right. Well, we
Not
gotta.
enough.
All right.
I'm gonna do this a little more.
Uh-oh, you're just letting air out. There. Push
No.
it in. Nope. Nope. Put the thing in there. Oh, you're letting the air out. You hear that sound? There you go. Nope. You gotta go straight on with it. Come back.
Kept letting air out. This doohickey bobber. Oh no, the car has 50.
It's giving you an error again.
Oh no.
Do you have anything else to say to your followers?
Yes. Remember to subscribe to Puppy Jackie Sadie and put in the chat for my brother's live stream. Give Puppy Jackie Sadie 5 mending books.
All right.